Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I've got what I think is a pretty special 72 Chevelle Malibu convertible right here. Obviously great colors. This thing's loaded with options, and it's documented with the build sheet and Protecto plate. It's a numbers match car, born as you see it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll see all the specs. We'll have a copy of the build sheet on there, photos top to bottom, pricing, not only on this car, but a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. That's at volocars.com. Now for right now, I got the top down. Why don't we go for a spin in this 72 Chevelle? Georgia car, really clean body, clean straight body, solid floors. I believe they're the original quarter panels. Everything fits really nicely, all the gaps, and the paint's gorgeous. I mean, it's slick, it's sharp. Just walking up to it, it looks perfect. I'll walk around it and we'll point out any little flaws. I'm sure I can find something, but the car shows really, really well. All the trim is really bright. The door handle looks new, the mirror, the stainless isn't new, but it's shiny. You got one little dent there. It's got the correct rally wheels and the trim is all shiny. Looks like new BF Goodrich tires. The lenses look new, the bumper looks new. Look how square the trunk fits. Now you do have the hairline crack right here that all convertibles, all these GM convertibles will get that. There is a hairline crack there. I had to look for it to find it, so it's not bad. Oh, that's just a hair. Wheel well moldings are real nice. The rubber seals here have been replaced. It's a factory cranberry red, white interior. It's the Malibu 350. Now this is kind of tricky on a Chevelle. If they've been bumped, this is really hard. You got a lot going on here with this curve and flush and square. It fits really darn good on this car, about the best that I've seen. And everything up here, the grille, the lenses, it's all excellent shape. It has bumper guards. This is the numbers match 350 motor, and it's stock. The heat shield's still on the exhaust manifold with the tube coming up to the original air cleaner, the right valve covers, manifolds, rebuilt Quadrajet 4-barrel carb. I don't know if I mentioned it is numbers match. Alternator looks new. All the hoses, wiring, fan shroud, everything looks proper. It's a factory air-conditioned car. It's been serviced, has a couple new parts, updated to the newer Freon, blows ice-cold air. Looks like the windshield's new. Has a white convertible top that's in excellent shape. Trunk compartment's really clean. This is painted beautifully. The latch is cleaned up, new weather strip. The factory seams are really nice and clean. I've been up in here with the flashlight. I don't see any splices. This has a nice spatter finish coat of paint. They did a really good job. It looks clean and durable. The spare is a matching rally wheel with a new tire on it. The jack assembly's all there. Looks like it's restored. So you got a really clean trunk. White top's in excellent shape. The boot's just not attached to the seat. That could be made to look a little nicer. Just spend a few minutes putting it on properly. And all the upholstery is very, very good. There's no rips, no tears. The door panels actually look new. The armrests, the window cranks. And if you notice, it's bucket seats with the console. And again, it was born this way. It's got the factory SS dash with the tachometer and gauges, tilt wheel. And again, it's all on the build sheet. So it has the original console with the horseshoe shifter. Dash pad's nice. They did add a stereo, so there is a custom stereo there. There are some 6x9 speakers behind the seat. Top down, you'll hear it, but it's not going to be an incredible sound system. The kick panels are nice. Interior lights work under the dash and in the console. It's a very dialed-in car from a good collector. I bought 2 Chevelles from him. I mean, this thing just runs like a kitten, just smooth running car. It has new mufflers, tailpipes. Now you see pictures underneath the car. This is not an off the frame restored, so it's not glossy and painted and chromed underneath. You'll see an original underside, but it's all good, respectable. It's solid, everything's proper. It's a turbo 350 automatic. Look how nice the gaps are. Fits flush. There are no bubbles down here. The original emissions vacuum lines are hooked up. The squirters are hooked up. It has the hood insulation. All the metal surfaces are painted nice and smooth. Really an exceptional car. All the panels fit really nice. Has a new well liner that the top goes down into. Windows all fit real nice. So there's a 350 with a 4-barrel. I'm 99% sure it's dual exhaust. All the pictures and specs are on the website. So yeah, super nice clean car. You want a comfortable Chevelle, just get in and drive, and you don't need a 600 horsepower or all that stuff. And it's a rare car, documented to be born with these colors and options. It's pretty special. VoloCars.com, you'll find plenty of ways to contact my staff. We can help with any questions about the car, about the shipping, the financing, whatever it may be. Let us know how we can help you. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these exciting cars as we put them out. I appreciate everyone's been watching. Keep watching because we're going to keep putting out the greatest cars. Thank you.